you ever felt stuck in life, unsure of what to do? This is a common feeling that most of us face day in and day out, but there's a solution to it. In his book, Make Your Bed, Admiral William McRaven shares his experiences as a Navy SEAL and the lessons he learned along the way. And so in today's video, I'm going to share these lessons and these tips from McRaven's book, and the wisdoms he shares will be able to change your life. Let's get into it. The first thing I want us to discuss is start your day with a completed task. The author of the book stresses the importance of starting your day with a completed task. And as the title of the book we are discussing says, Make Your Bed, he says that you should start your day by making your bed. And he says that making your bed might be something that is small and insignificant, but if you make your bed and you go out there, you have this motivation and this thing in you that you have completed something already in the day, and it gives you the motivation to go about your day achieving other important things. And also, by making your bed the first thing in the morning, the author emphasizes the fact that the little things in life matter. And if you are somebody who cannot do the little things right, then it's difficult for you to be able to do the big things in life right. And so he still emphasizes that make your bed correctly. It gives you the energy, provides you with the boost of the day to go about to go and achieve the big things in life. And so the author says that if you want to change your life as well as trying to change the world, then you should start your day with a completed task. You should make your bed the first thing in the morning. And he even indicates in the book that if you go out into the day and then something happens on your day is no good, when you come back home, you will see that your bed is made, a bed that you actually made it, and it's beautiful and it's nice. And so it will tell you that yes, you had a bad day, but you have accomplished something. You didn't accomplish something outside of the world, but you have been able to lay your bed, a beautiful bed that you made, and at least you can have a good night's sleep. So make your bed the first thing in the morning. The second tip he discusses is called You Can't Go It Alone. Here he emphasizes the importance of building relationships and how we have to depend on others for the successes we want in our lives. He says that nobody can accomplish anything significant in life alone. We need others. We need to depend on others to be able to help us achieve those things. And so as he shares his experiences from the military or in the military, teamwork was usually essential for them to be able to accomplish the mission successfully. You depend on others, you rely on others, everybody has to do their part. Building relationships, being with people, it just helps you to be able to achieve a lot of things. And so he says that make as many friends as possible. Meet people, be friendly, just try to make and build relationships with a whole lot of people. Though the author encourages that we should make as many friends as possible, he says that it's not just about what you would get from people and you seeing people and networking, but relationships are a two-way street. What you can also give to be able to help people, and that is why he's encouraging. He says find somebody, that one person you can share life with, somebody you can do things with. There will always be obstacles along the way, but if you have people who can help you along the way, then you would be able to achieve the success you want. So you can't go it alone. You cannot do significant things in life alone. You need people, so build relationships. If you are finding value from this video, kindly subscribe to the channel as I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, and smash the like button too. Thank you very much. Let's continue. Third thing I want us to discuss is to measure a person by the size of their heart. The author indicates that true strength comes from within and not from outward appearance or accomplishments as the world usually wants us to see. And so the size of one's heart is very important than external factors. What constitutes a person? Character, empathy, kindness towards others. These are the things you should look at, and you should measure a person by, not physical appearance, not the things they own, not the cars, not the houses, not the things we see physically and measure success by those things, but we should measure a person by the heart, the inward things, their character, their kindness, their empathy towards others, and all of that. Still talking about the size of a person's heart, the author says that determination and grit is even far important than physical ability and talent. He says that yes, having talent and physical ability can be advantageous, but it doesn't guarantee success. It doesn't guarantee that you'd achieve the things you want with the talent you have unless you are determined. The fourth point he discusses is that life is not fair. drive on. The author explains that life is not always fair, and there will be times where we face challenges and obstacles and setbacks in life, but then we shouldn't use that as an opportunity to just quit. We should find a way to be determined enough to move forward. He says we should have a positive attitude towards life, because sometimes it might be easy for us to blame others for the problems and obstacles and setbacks we face in life. We might blame governments, we might blame our colleagues, our families, our friends, but then life isn't fair, and life will never be fair. Most of the great people, he says, most of the great people we admire in life, some we call them our mentors. Everyone has faced difficult times in our lives, and everyone have been in a time in their life where they think that life wasn't fair, but they didn't quit in that moment, and so you shouldn't also quit in that moment. Put at the back of your mind that life will not always be fair, but then you wouldn't give up because life is not fair. You will face fronts. Most of the great people like Nelson Mandela, he went through prison and so many other things, and he still came out to be who he was or who he is. And so yes, life will not always be fair. Put that at the back of your mind and keep moving forward. The fifth point of discussion is rise to the occasion. The author says that if you want to change your life, if you want to change even the world, you should become the best in your darkest moments. That is how you would be able to change the world. And so you must rise above your fears, above your doubts, above your fatigue. No matter how dark it becomes, you have to be somebody who sticks along, that you'll be able to accomplish the mission you have always wanted to accomplish. And the thing is that we all face difficult moments. Sometimes it's the passing on of a loved one, sometimes it's crashing. Things in your life just comes crumbling down. Things you have been hoping and believing that things will work out, and everything just falls apart. But he says that in these times, you have to find a way to rise to the occasion. You have to go inside and search for the best of yourself to become the best within these darkest moments of life. That is how you would be able to bring change into your life. The sixth point is stand up to the bullies. He says there are always bullies in life, especially if you are young and you have been in school. You have, at a point in time, maybe being bullied by somebody, depending on the kind of school you went to. But there are always bullies in life, and it's not just school. There are bullies in our workplaces, there are bullies. Even some governments and presidents are bullies. They bring so much stress to the people, and so he says you should be able to stand up to the bullies always. A way to be able to stand up to the bullies by having courage. Courage, he says, is a very great quality to have, because most of these people I have mentioned, governments, colleagues at work, schoolmates, and all those kinds of things, we always try to bring fear and intimidation into your life. But if you are somebody who have courage to be able to stand up with these people, then it's easy for you to be able to succeed in life. The seventh point of discussion is to give people hope. The author says that people are going through so much, and sometimes they just need that one person who will give them hope, who will encourage them, who would give them some kind of positivity. And so yours isn't always to be looking for help from others, but be somebody who can also give someone hope. Give people hope. Give people a reason why they should keep going on, they should keep pushing on, they should keep moving on, and all of that. The final point of discussion is never ever quit. The author says that if you quit, you will regret it in life. He says quitting doesn't usually make things easier as we perceive. Sometimes you are working on something and it's not working, and nothing is happening. There's no movement, there's no progress in it, and you feel like quitting is the best thing that will happen. But he says quitting doesn't make life easier. It doesn't mean you will achieve that thing. So the lesson to learn here is that never at any point quit. Keep moving on. He says you have to know that life is full of difficult days, but somebody out there is even having it worse than you. And so if you fill your life with pity and sorrow, you would always want to quit. But then the goal here, and this is the very important thing he stresses so much on, is that never ever quit at any point in life. The takeaways from this video is that start your day with a completed task. You would always be accomplished and feel fulfilled, and you would be able to go through your day achieving other big things. Secondly, you need people to succeed. You need people to be able to accomplish the things you want in life. Put that at the back of your mind and make as many friends as possible. I hope you have learned a thing or two from this book, and get a copy of the book and read it. It's a very short book. It's called make your bed. Catch up on my videos. I'm going to link the Unfair Advantages series here for you to do catch up on it. It's a book that talks of the things you need to succeed, and it's not usually most of the traditional ways that you have known. And so I'll see you in my next one. Please subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and do forward this video or share this video with somebody. I'll see you later. Bye.